Welcome to WP Design Lab. Today, we are taking your Elementor design to the next level. I'll be guiding you through the GSAP Background Widget, showing you how to craft a highly dynamic animated hero section. You'll learn how to integrate a zooming image, layer your title text, and apply rich gradient overlays. Download the plugin zip file from the GitHub link in the video description. Then upload that zip file in your WordPress dashboard from the plugin section. Click Install Now. When the installation is finished, click Activate Plugin. Now, open the page where you want to add the scroll background effect. Before adding the widget, set the section to full width so the effect can stretch across the entire screen and display properly. Inside the Elementor editor, search for the GSAP Scroll Background widget. Drag the widget into your page. Now, let us look at the widget settings. The first setting is the background image. Here, you can choose the image that will appear behind your content. Pick a high-quality image. For the best result, use a wide image that looks good on desktop and mobile screens. Also write a quick description in the alt text box for SEO and accessibility. Next, you will see heading line 1 and 2. You can replace it with your own words. Change it. Below that, you'll find the Symbols section. Here, you can toggle the decorative background characters on or off. If you leave them on, you can easily change each symbol's text, color, size, and screen position to fit your layout perfectly. Now, let's move over to the Style tab. Under Background Gradient, you can turn the glowing color overlay on or off. If you enable it, you can tweak the individual glow colors, the overlay opacity, and the blend mode. For a smooth look, soft light is usually a great starting point. Next, scroll down to Atmosphere Effects. This is where the widget really shines. Under Effect Preset, you can pick an animation style like clouds and mist, snow, rain, neon glitch, or ocean shimmer. Once you pick a preset, simply use the sliders to adjust the effect's opacity, speed, and intensity. Some effects even give you extra controls, like adjusting the size of the snow or the angle of the rain. If we look under Decor Elements, you can toggle Show Frame Corners to add or remove the stylish bracket lines around the edges of your hero section. Finally, jump into the typography settings to fine-tune the font size, weight, and color of your headings, making sure they are crisp and easy to read. When you're happy with the design, click Update. Open the page in a new tab and scroll down slowly. You will see the GSAP and ScrollTrigger animations in action, scaling the image and effects smoothly as you move down the page. And that is it. You have successfully built a modern, animated hero section in WordPress. If this video helped you out, please hit the like button and subscribe to WP Design Lab for more WordPress, Elementor, and animation tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.